He's back. He's back! He's sitting up there plotting how to...
What's he trying... Can we please open the door?
No, I'm not letting him in. It'll be a showdown, and I'm just not in the mood. Idiot. Come on back. Come on, what have you got? Really? Double pane glass, Mr. Robin. Look at him! He can sit on the glass. I don't even know what his feet are on.
He just flew away.
Look at him. There he is. There he is.
Where?
Right there on that perch. See him? See if he's got the nerve to come up while I'm standing right here.
Mama, you know you can put this video on Facebook.
Yeah, I know. Don't even think I don't know that.